Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we've got something exciting, Crucial's X10 Pro Portable SSD. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk speed. This little guy here is a powerhouse when it comes to data transfer.
With its USB 3.2 Gen 2 2x2 interface, it blazes through files at an impressive rate, making it one of the fastest USB-based external drives out there. Now, one thing to note is that this speed demon requires a specific type of port, the USB 3.2 Gen 2 2x2. If you don't have that, you'll still get decent performance, but you won't be unlocking its full potential. So, make sure your devices are equipped with the right connection. In terms of design, the X10 Pro scores high marks. It's compact, sleek, and feels premium with its solid metal shell. It's slim enough to slip into your pocket or bag without weighing you down, yet robust enough to withstand daily wear and tear.
Now, let's talk about what's in the box.
Alongside the SSD, you'll find a USB-C to USB-C cable for connectivity. While it would have been nice to see a USB-A cable included, it's understandable given the rarity of USB-A ports with this level of bandwidth.
Crucial also provides its storage executive software, which is handy for monitoring and maintaining your drive. It's intuitive to use and offers useful features like firmware updates and drive health monitoring. But let's get to the nitty-gritty, performance. In our testing, the X10 Pro consistently delivered impressive speeds, especially in sustained writes.
This makes it a perfect companion for content creators who deal with large files regularly. In conclusion, Crucial's X10 Pro Portable SSD is a speed demon wrapped in a sleek, durable package. If you're in the market for top-notch performance and don't mind paying a bit extra for it, this is the drive for you. Just remember to check your device's compatibility before making the purchase. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product critiques. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.